Oh, do you have radar
Earthquake.
armor or something
Holy
like that?
fuck, this earthquake's huge. Jesus Christ. Oh, I'll be right back.
Earthquake. Oh, wait, you're getting hit by one?
Shit.
Oh fuck! Earthquake! Holy shit!
Oh,
I don't feel it out here yet.
Oh
Holy
fuck!
shit.
Means possible.
Fuck!
Oh, there it is. Oh,
Whoa,
man.
god! Oh god!
Are you okay?
Oh yeah, that just made my heart fucking. I literally,
Yeah,
what
that
happened was,
where I am.
oh, okay, so I had a cup on top of my computer, and it fell, and I thought it was because I hit my desk, and then all of a sudden everything in my room was shaking, so my like vertigo kicked in. I was like, what did I do?
Knots.
Whoa, earthquake.
Garlic knots?
Oh, crap. Earthquake. Oh, my God. It's a big one in LA.
Oh my god.
Holy crap. Oh, no.
Oh?
Oh shit!
This is the troll, right?
Dude, that was actually big.
Are you serious?
I think it's legit.
Wait,
I think he's serious.
That sounds
It's
legit.
serious!
Hold on, William Falcon!
Holy crap.
It's real. It's real.
Am I going to lose?
4.6
Elon?
magnitude.
Look, I know that you guys might be having an earthquake, but you really need to get people for this lobby.
Yeah, I agree.
No.
Like, this is Among Us, not a joke.
They just felt
That was weird.
That's actually.
That was decently sized. Any earthquake games? What was the
4.6.
Are you okay?
Move this down, dude. This is like an aftershock.
No, he's just shaking. He's fine.
Dude, the Millennium Falcon.
There's an earthquake happening. There's an earthquake happening. There's a literal earthquake happening right now. There is a literal earthquake just happening. Oh my god. Oh my god. I need to get out of LA as fast as fucking possible. Seriously? We're just gonna... Holy shit. Holy shit. Hold on. Sorry, I'm shaking. There was an earthquake. Sorry, that was...